So we will trace this with a dark sketch pen. We will erase all the extra pencil lines. Now for the bouquet or the little flowers. Draw 4 to 5 circles in an arc form. See that you're leaving enough gap between these circles because our petals are going to be painted around these circles. Now these are actually flowers, and since it's a bouquet, the stems will come somewhat like this. So 5 stems, 5 flowers. Now we'll start painting these flowers. I'll paint all the circles in different colors. So we have painted 5 circles. What we will do is, we will now paint the petals. Now Picasso had a different unique way to paint these petals. What he did was simply he gave strokes like these, very simple strokes. It started to look like a flower. So you can use different color strokes for each flower. Thick and thin strokes. If you want, you can turn your paper around like this so that you get equal type of strokes. Petite flower are ready. Now what I am going to do is just paint stems with a green color very slowly. See that your stems are ending here and not going above this palm, the first palm that we have traced. It's okay if your stem of the flower is going over the second palm, but it should not go over the first palm. A Petite Fleur, an art inspired by Pablo Picasso, which symbolizes peace and brotherhood, is now ready.